It's fall time and I finally get to try out my new Eagle cordless leaf blower. It took me 2 months to shoot this video and I'll explain why later. And as you can see here, I'm having no trouble cleaning up my yard with this surprisingly powerful leaf blower from Eagle. But first, let's get into the box and get a closer look. There's actually not much in here except a leaf blower and extension tube. Oh, and there's also an instruction manual. I bought the mid-range model with a maximum output of 615 cubic feet per minute. And like other Eagle products, it has a nice gray, black and green color scheme. This package is minimalistic because I bought the model that does not include a battery or charger. More on that later. The controls are pretty simple as well. There's a dial that acts as a power switch and it sets the constant output level. The trigger also activates the motor and fan power depending on how far it's depressed. And the turbo button on top gives you a burst of extra air when you need it. All this power comes from a high efficiency brushless motor. And when you look into the barrel, you can see the fan that is capable of generating air speeds up to 170 miles per hour. And later I'll demonstrate the impressive performance from this Eagle leaf blower. The battery mounts on the back, and you have the option to order this with a 2.5 amp hour ARC lithium battery. It attaches just below the handle and helps balance the leaf blower while holding it. But because I already own an Eagle lawnmower, I'm able to take the lawnmower battery and use it on this leaf blower. In fact, all Eagle batteries are compatible with all of their products. So that allowed me to save money on this purchase. Here's a quick demonstration on a pile of 3-inch river rocks. And I didn't even have to use the turbo button. I actually had to wait 2 months to get these shots because I bought this on sale during the summer. And I'll list this in the description so it's easy for you to find. Right from the start I realized that this Eagle 615 CFM leaf blower is really powerful. These maple leaves are soaked from the rain last night, but I'm having no trouble rounding them up around my yard. In some parts of my grass it's even lifting out some of the moss, and being here in the Pacific Northwest I've got a lot of moss in my lawn. And the variable speed trigger really helps when I want to use the right amount of air to move just the leaves and not too much dirt. The Eagle leaf blower itself weighs 4.8 pounds, so it's fairly lightweight. With my 5 amp hour battery from my lawnmower, it adds another 4.9 pounds. So this battery actually weighs the same as the leaf blower itself. And here are some final notes. It comes with a long tube attachment, but there are a few short tapered nozzles that can be purchased separately. And slipping them on and off takes little effort. This Eagle leaf blower is specified to have an output of 615 CFM, but I think that's kind of misleading. The actual output of this model is between 200 to 480 CFM. The only way to reach the maximum output is to use the turbo button. And if you use this too much, it will drain the battery much faster. But just know that with any of the Eagle leaf blowers, the cubic feet per minute listed on the box can only be achieved using turbo mode. And I feel that since I already own an Eagle mower, this leaf blower was the obvious choice for me because of the compatible batteries and the awesome performance. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.